All right, today let's continue our release brand strategy. I'll go to my code. We got the future branch strategy in previous tutorial. Now let's continue with the release branch. So this is all about applying the. We are simulating here. If you look, the hotfix, right? So I have we code the similar hotfix v 1.0 for hotfix md one another new file, right? So this is all about applying the hotfix here. So basically, release branch strategy is used to stabilize a version before deployment. Now I'll directly copy the code. I'm not executing line by line. I'll instead execute everything in CMD. So I'm in the CMD. Let's paste this. Let's wait for a while. And there we go. It's running. And we can see the release v1.1 1.0 is there. So now it looks good. Basically this branch is now isolated from the main and can be deployed separately. If I go to my repos and check it out here, and there we go, release v1.0, right? That's what we have just used git checkout b release v1.0. If we look at the code here, what I'm referring is this one, right? So v1.0 is there. So that's what it goes for the release branch strategy. So now let's do a quick recap. And here is the sketch diagram, what we have done in the branching strategies. I'll brush you up all using this the diagram. So trunk based, if you look, commits directly into the main. That's why trunk here main. This visual map will help you to remember things easily. Now the feature branch strategy, right? So feature branch is meant to isolate work, merge via PR. Remember, we have created pull request, right, for feature branch strategy. So this is all what it goes, right? We can see the diversion. Then here, last but not least, in this hands-on, we have done the release brand strategy. So release branch strategy is used to isolate work and merge via the pull request. So all three, if you look, has its own advantages and functions. We use trunk based for speed because it directly commits everything in the main branch, right? Trunk trunk strategy is for speed. Then feature, we have a branch feature branches is for safety, right? Because we are diverging from the mean, right? It's for safety. And last but not least, we have the release. Release is for control. So that's what it goes, the concept of branching strategy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let's meet in our next lecture.